Oh my god, I made my first funnel cake, red velvet at that. So it wasn't perfect, but let me show you how I made it. So basically I took one egg because I only needed one egg. I was only making it for myself. And you're gonna need about 3/4 cups of milk because I only made one funnel cake. And you're basically adding your wet ingredients first, and you're gonna take a whisk and you're gonna whisk it up, and you're gonna stir it up real good, but not too much because you don't want to overbeat that egg, you know what I'm saying. So you're gonna need 1 cup of flour. Gonna put that in there real quick. And you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of sugar because you don't want stuff to be bland and nasty. You're gonna need 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder unless you want something a little flat. And then you're gonna need 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/2 tablespoon of cocoa powder because I mean this is red velvet. It got chocolate in it. Duh. You're gonna need 2 dashes of salt, just a little bit, unless you want your stuff to be extra salty. About 2 teaspoons of red food coloring. I wouldn't put more than this. I mean, if you're looking for a certain color, I don't know, but I wouldn't put more than that. For some reason, it looks like I'm putting 4 because my crazy self used the 1/2 teaspoon instead. And you're gonna stir it up. As you stir it up, you'll realize like, oh, this look like pancake mix. You know what I'm saying? It even tastes like pancake mix a little bit. So you just mix it up real good. Make sure you get all the lumps out. Make sure you taste it. And I have this condiment bottle. I cut a hole in the top of it so that my batter could flow through, but I should have cut the hole bigger. Y'all, I sent a picture of my funnel cake to my sister and she was like, "That is look like hot chips." Y'all, she came for my funnel cake. I was so salty, but then I couldn't even be mad because it do kind of look like hot chips. Like, oh my god. And I was like, I ain't gonna even post this video. And I was like, what the heck, I'm posting this video because baby, it was fire. Funnel cake was good. Okay, just didn't look as thick as the ones at the fair, but that's okay. So I have my little condiment bottle, and as you can see, I put my grease on. But while that's heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and make a cream cheese glaze. So what you need is some cream cheese, powdered sugar, and milk. So you're going to take about 4 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, and you want it to be room temperature so that it can blend well with the other ingredients. You don't want like lumpy cream cheese in your glaze. It's nasty. So you're going to have 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and then you're going to add like a little bit of vanilla extract. You don't really have to, but just add a little bit of it. And you're gonna need about 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk. So start off with 2 tablespoons first, and if you don't like the consistency, then go up like another tablespoon, then another tablespoon. You don't want your stuff to be milky, so you need it to be a glaze, not like milk water over your stuff. That's nasty. But y'all, I put this stuff in this little bitty bowl knowing good and well that it was gonna get all over everywhere, so I had to change bowls. So I'm gonna just mix it up real quick. You want to just mix it up really good, and once you do that, you're ready to start frying. So I'm pouring my batter in. As you can see, it's a little bit more stringy than I wanted it to be because of the hole in the condiment bottle. It just wasn't big enough, but it's frying. Make sure it doesn't fry too hard. You don't want no hard funnel cake. But I needed like 2 spatulas to flip mine over. It was just a really big one. I actually ate this for dinner and I didn't eat nothing else because it took away my whole appetite. So you're gonna take it out. I think you should dab it a little bit, like to get some of the grease off, then put the powdered sugar on. Like I immediately started putting powdered sugar on. It was disappearing on me, as you can see right now. I'm like beating that bottle to get that some more powdered sugar on. So I took the powdered sugar, added my glaze. Y'all, that glaze was so good. Oh my gosh. And then I had this red velvet ice cream that was supposed to be like less calories than normal ice cream. Haha, like calories matter in this meal. So I put the ice cream on there. Y'all, it was so good. I know it do look like hot chips, but it was so good. It was so good. So what are my post-cooking suggestions? I would say number 1, make sure you don't fry anything too hard. And number 2, just use a measuring cup to pour the batter. You don't need the condiment bottle I had. And thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.